हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू EDN टेक यूट्यूब चैनल। आज वीडियो टॉपिक रे आम आलोचना करिबा प्लस टू फर्स्ट ईयर आर्ट्स साइंस एवं कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम रो कंपलसरी सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश रो इनविटेशन टू इंग्लिश वन बुक रो सेकंड प्रोज द लीजेंड बिहाइंड लीजेंड प्रोज रो यूनिट वाइज क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर विषय रे। तो ये भिडियो को प्रथम शेष पर्यंत पूरा देख। जदि कौन डाउट एवं सजेशन थाए निश्चित भाव कमेंट करी जणाओ। भिडियो को लाइक करो। आर फास्ट प्रोज स्टैंडिंग अप फॉर योर सेल्फ मु आलोचना कर सारी। जो मैंने देखी ना से मो भिडियो लिस्ट को जाई देखिपारे। तेज आज भिडियो टॉपिक आम आलोचना करवा इनविटेशन टू इंग्लिश बुक रो सेकंड प्रोज द लीजेंड बिहाइंड लीजेंड रो यूनिट वाइज क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन आंसर। First of all, we discuss about the unit 1's question answer. So the first question is who is Khoiri? Khoiri किए? तो यार आंसर होची खैरी इज ए टाइग्रिस ऑफ जसीपुर। जसीपुर रे रहउथवा खैरी होची गोटे बाघुणी। तो सो सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज हाउ डिड द राइटर कम टू नो अबाउट खैरी? राइटर खैरी विषय रे केमिति जानिबा को पाइथिले? द आंसर इज द राइटर केम टू नो अबाउट खैरी from the Statesman. The Statesman is a newspaper. Statesman हो गोटे खबर कागज जो खैरी विषय खबर प्रकाश पाइथिला एवं ताकू पढ़ी लेखक जानी पारी थिले। प्रश्न 3 रे हु वाज द फोस्टर फादर ऑफ खैरी? माने खैरी को किए लालन पालन करथिले? सो द आंसर इज मिस्टर सरोज राज चौधरी। मिस्टर सरोज राज चौधरी वाज द फोस्टर फादर ऑफ खैरी। 4 नंबर प्रश्न रे which state does the writer belongs? It means the legend behind a legend prose रो राइटर होचंदी आमर हरिहरन बालकृष्णन। तो हरिहरन बालकृष्णन केउं स्टेट रु बिलोंग करंती? सो द आंसर इज द राइटर बिलोंग्स टू ओडिशा। प्रश्न नंबर 5 रे व्हाट डिड ही लर्न अबाउट सरोजराज चौधरी एज ए पर्सन? लेखक सरोजराज चौधरी ठारू व्यक्ति हिसाब से कौन शिखबार थिला? तो तार आंसर होची द राइटर लर्नड दैट सरोजराज चौधरी वाज ए गल्फ एंड टफ मैन हु ब्रूक्ड नो नॉनसेंस एंड सफरड नो फूल्स। माने सरोजराज चौधरी को सरोजराज के मध्य बोका बनै पारिबो नाही कि से जने असाधारण व्यक्तित्व नथिले। तापरे प्रश्न 6 रे हाउ डिड ही कॉन्टैक्ट मिस्टर चौधरी? How did the writer contact Mr. Chaudhary? So the answer is the writer contacted Mr. Chaudhary by writing to him. The writer contacted Mr. Chaudhary by writing him. The 7th number question is why did he refer some of his articles to Mr. Chaudhary? So the answer is he referred to some of his articles to Mr. Chaudhary because those articles referred to a few intricate articles. Question number 8 रे did Mr. Chaudhary reply to the author's letter? What did he write? तार आंसर होची yes, Mr. Chaudhary replied to the author's letter. He wrote inviting the writer and giving him precise instructions to reach there. तबे ये थिला हमर यूनिट 1 रो 8टी प्रश्न एवं उत्तर। वर्तमान आम आलोचना करिबा यूनिट 2 रो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हाउ डिड द राइटर कम टू भुवनेश्वर? तार आंसर होची द राइटर केम फ्रॉम भुवनेश्वर बाय बस। सेकंड क्वेश्चन होची हाउ डिड ही गो टू जसीपुर फ्रॉम भुवनेश्वर? तो तार आंसर होची ही वेंट टू जसीपुर फ्रॉम भुवनेश्वर बाय ट्रेन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 हाउ डिड द फॉरेस्ट गार्ड रिसीव हिम? द आंसर इज द फॉरेस्ट गार्ड वेलकम हिम, took him to the guest house, showed him his room and told to take rest as soon as possible. So the fourth question is why was he terror struck? He was terror struck because he heard the unmistakable voice of the tiger just outside his door. Question number 5 is what did the bearer tell him about Khairi? So the answer is the bearer told him about Khairi that it was outside the door making friendly inquiries about the new guest in the house. Question number 6 is What was Mr. Chaudhary doing when the writer met him? The answer is when the writer met him, Mr. Chaudhary was sitting on a large chair. Question number 7 is how did Mr. Chaudhary greet the author? Answer is Mr. Chaudhary rose to greet the author and asked Jambu to get down. Question number 8 is what was the name of the bear? Answer is the name of the bear was Jambu. Question number 9 is what was the physical appearance of Mr. Chaudhary? The answer is Mr. Chaudhary was a frail man and 50s, slightly balding on the top. Question number 10 is what kind of man did the author find Mr. Chaudhary to be? So the answer is Mr. Chaudhary was one of the most humble human beings that the author found. Now we are going to discuss about unit 3. The first question is what theory did Mr. Chaudhary prove wrong? So the answer is Mr. Chaudhary proved the theory wrong that they cannot coexist unless they are together from infancy. Question number 2 is what was his first story about? The answer is his first story was about a crate. Question number 3 is why is it so unique and amazing? Answer is it is so unique and amazing because Khairi, being a wild animal, was curious to know more about the strange new creature. The fourth number question is why did Mr. Chaudhary allow Khairi to come near a crate? The answer is Mr. Chaudhary allowed Khairi to come near a crate to experiment the reaction of a young tiger to a snake. It means a crate is a snake. Crate होउछ गोटे सापर ना. Question number 5 is what was Khairi's reaction to the presence of the crate? The answer is Khairi was curious to know more about the crate. Question number 6 is how did the experiment affect him? The answer is the experiment went on for some time. Each time the crate went close to Khairi, Mr. Chaudhary pulled its tail. Then it bit him. Question number 7 is what did the bear try to do with the writer? The answer is the bear tried to give the writer a bear hug. Question number 8 is what prevented the bear from doing so? The answer is a stern no from Saroj was enough to prevent the bear from doing so. माने जेतेबेले भालू राइटर आमर हरिहरन बालकृष्ण सहित हक करिया जाउथला सेतेबेले सरोजराज चौधरी ताको मना करथिले न कहिकी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 रे what kind of family did Mr. Chaudhary have? The answer is Mr. Chaudhary had a veritable joint family that a mongoose, a pangolin, wildcat twins, a country dog, a blind hyena. माने मिस्टर सरोजराज चौधरी परिवार कहले कौन तेबे ए सब थिला मिस्टर सरोजराज चौधरी परिवार जेमिति कि गोटे मानगुज, ए पेनगोलिन, वाइल्ड कैट ट्वाइन, ए कंट्री डॉग, ए ब्लाइंड हाइना. सो द क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 इज व्हाट वाज हिज रिलेशनशिप विथ डिफरेंट एनिमल्स? हिज रिलेशनशिप विथ डिफरेंट एनिमल्स वाज फादर सन रिलेशनशिप. इट मीन्स सरोजराज चौधरी एनिमल मान सहित किभली रिलेशन थिला. तो आंसर इज हिज रिलेशनशिप विथ डिफरेंट एनिमल्स वाज फादर सन relationship. Now we are going to discuss about the question answer of unit 4. So the first question of unit 4 is how and when did Mr. Chaudhary come across Khairi? The answer is on October 5, 1974, 12 Khairi tribal of Similipal brought a 2-month-old tiger cub to Mr. Chaudhary, an officer of the Indian Forest Service. That was Khairi. October 5, 1974 मसीह खैरी को शिमिलीपाल जंगल को अणाई आउ जोठारे मिस्टर चौधरी सरोजराज चौधरी जड़े फॉरेस्ट इंडियन फॉरेस्ट सर्विस ऑफिसर थिले तांकु सेठारे से खैरी को दिया जाई थिला. सो द सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज इन व्हाट कंडीशन डिड ही फाइंड? The answer is he found that it was a female, vanished and confused. The tiger was a female. It means it is a tigress. So the third question is how how did he manage the hungry and confused cub? The answer is he intimated the sound of a mother tigress, and within minutes the hungry and confused cub came to his control. Question number fourth is how did he treat wildlife in his young age? The answer is in his young age he shot wildlife with abandon. The fifth question is what did he say about his change of attitude towards wildlife to the author? The answer is he said that he realized that there is greater happiness in conserving these beautiful animals that do no wanton harm to man. Now the sixth question is what was his contribution to the tiger project? माने सरोजराज चौधरींकर टाइगर प्रोजेक्ट को कौन अवदान थिला? So the answer is he introduced the tiger tracing method of a tiger census where the pug marks of each animal with distinctive measurement and characteristics are meticulously recorded. Question number 7 is what was the guest house like? The answer is the guest house was a wooden structure with functional rooms and a bath. It was built on stilts and stood a good 15 feet above ground. Question number 8 is what new experience did the author have in the tiger reserve area? The answer is the author had a new experience for the first time. He had spent one night atop of magnificent Mokan. Now we are going to the unit 5th question and answer. So the first question is after what interval of time did the writer visit Mr. Chaudhary for the second time? So the answer is the writer visited Mr. Chaudhary for the second time after 3 months. 3 मास पर पुणी थरे Mr. Chaudhary को writer मिसवा को गले. Second question is what new addition to Chaudhary family did he find there? से Chaudhary family रे कहा को आउ मिसिबार देखिले. So the answer is he found an 8 foot long young python in addition to his old friends. The question number 3 is why did they get less time to interact with Mr. Chaudhary this time? So the answer is he got less time to interact with Mr. Chaudhary this time because there was a wireless message from the World Wildlife Fund. Mr. Chaudhary was asked immediately to catch a flight for an important meeting at New Delhi the next day. जेतु वर्ल्ड आमर WW जो एफ अच्छी वर्ल्ड वाइल्ड लाइफ फाउंड से गोटे मेसेज आसाला जो कि नुआ दिल्ली रे सरोजराज चौधरी को गोटे मीटिंग अटेंड करिवार थिला तेणुक से द्वितीय थर जो जाइथिले कम मिसी पारिथिले. नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज हु डाइड फास्ट खैरी और मिस्टर चौधरी? द आंसर इज खैरी डाइड फास्ट. प्रथमे खैरी मृत्युवरण करथिला. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज हु आर द टू लीजेंड्स द राइटर टॉक अबाउट? एक प्रोज रे द राइटर द टू लीजेंड द लीजेंड बिहाइंड ए लीजेंड बोली कहउछन से लीजेंड गुडा कोन? सो द आंसर इज खैरी द टाइग्रिस मिस्टर चौधरी. द टू लीजेंड्स द राइटर्स टॉक अबाउट. गोटे हूँ खैरी विषय आउ गोटे हूँ मिस्टर चौधरी विषय. द क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज द टेक्स्ट इज मोर अबाउट मिस्टर चौधरी और खैरी. ए जो प्रोजटा क्या विषय अधिक अच्छी मिस्टर चौधरी विषय ना खैरी विषय? सो द आंसर इज द टेक्स्ट इज मोर अबाउट मिस्टर चौधरी. द 7th क्वेश्चन इज कैन यू गेस नाउ व्हाई द टाइटल ऑफ द टेक्स्ट इज द लीजेंड बिहाइंड द लीजेंड? आंसर हूँ the title of the text is the legend behind the legend because it is impossible to fame wild animals and Mr. Chaudhary was able to do all this second by two famous tigers is another legend. So the title in justified. जेहेतु मिस्टर सरोजराज चौधरी वाइल्ड लाइफ पशु मानक सहित केमिति से वन्य पशु मानक सहित निजक एडजस्ट कर निजर परिवार भली से मन करते। एक द्वितीय से खैरी टाइग्रिस को किभली निजर आयत्त रखिते ताहाठारे वर्णना कराଯାଇଛି। तेणुकरी ए जो टाइटल द लिजेंड बिहाइंड द लिजेंड उपयुक्त अटे। +2 फर्स्ट ईयर आर्ट्स साइंस कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम रो सेकेंड प्रोज द लिजेंड बिहाइंड द लिजेंड पाठर यूनिट वाइज क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर। आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड बेटर। विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट। थैंक यू टू ऑल।